There will be 2 rounds in this competition, individual question round and rapid fire round. There will be 14 set of questions. Participants will have to choose one of the set. Chosen set number will be assigned to the respective participant. Selected set will have the questions from both the rounds, multiple choice and rapid fire. Questions can be from IPC 620 standard, IPC training, policies and procedures. First round will be multiple choice or visual question round. 6 questions will be asked to each participant. Visual questions will not have any choice of answers, as you can see example below. 10 seconds will be the time for answering each question. Timer will start once the question and options are displayed on the participant's screen. Question will be read out simultaneously. You can see the demo here. Correct answer will come up on the screen after 10 seconds. Participants will score 1 point for giving every correct answer within 10 seconds. There will be no negative marking. Participant can score maximum of 6 points. In this round, question cannot be passed. Now we are moving forward for the second round. So second round will be our rapid fire round, where participants will be fired with 10 questions, one after another in succession. The participant is expected to give answer in short form like yes, no, true, false, short answer. 1 point awarded for the correct answer. -1 point will be for the wrong answer. Skipped questions will have 0 point. Here participants can score maximum of 10 points. Answers of the wrongly answered skipped questions will be given after completion of answering 10 questions. Participant who score maximum point, including from both the rounds, will be the winner. Tie-breaking round will be for the top 2 participants only. Thank you.